Revit has a new tool which allows us to edit the sketch of the railing. To do this, we first need to get into a view that we can see this and be able to make modifications to the appropriate railing. And what I'd like to do is add an extension to the end of this rail here that comes down, comes over, comes back around, and then ties back into the bottom baluster. To do this, we're going to move up here to the view cube and select on right. We'll spin the view around. From here, I'm going to zoom in, select on this rail. It's not the rail I want to make a change to, but right now I can't see the rail I want to make a change to, so I'm going to hide this railing. So with it selected, move down here to the temporary hide isolate and hide the element. Next thing we want to do is select on this railing, or even just highlight over this railing. Once you do, you can click the Tab key on the keyboard in order to highlight just the top rail. Click using your left mouse button, then come up here on the ribbon and click on Edit Rail. There's an option that says Edit Path, and what we're going to do is we're going to draw a new path for this railing. So from here, click on the Line tool, click right here at the end. Now draw out 1 foot 3 inches in this direction. We'll make up the rest of it with the arc. I'm going to click, and we can see it comes down. Now it's coming straight out. Up here, I'm going to choose on Start End Radius Arc. I'm going to move down here, and 1 foot down, I'm going to click. Just have it turn into this sort of circle here. In fact, it should snap right around 6 inches. Click. Now we have this arc at the end. Click this line here and draw a line going back to this baluster. And now we have it down, around, and back. And if we click on the big green check mark to that, and now big green check mark one more time, we now have this end extension coming down at the bottom of the staircase. So we're just going to click on the corner of the view cube and zoom in. And now we can see that we have that extension down at the bottom rail of this staircase. I do want to mention the fact that we also could have done this with a baluster. We could have had a custom end baluster that would have had this same condition associated with it. But what this tool allows us to do is manipulate the way that this top rail will look and the path that it will follow to create whatever shape that we need for the railing.